Seedream 4.2K is finally here and it absolutely crushes Nano Banana. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it for free and create viral images, step by step. But first, let me blow your mind with why this is a total game changer. First up, crystal clear visuals. Seedream 4 can generate and edit in true 4K resolution, something Nano Banana can't even touch. Second, perfect character consistency. Look at this, it creates characters that stay consistent throughout your entire project. Third, text that actually makes sense. While other tools mess up your words, Seedream 4 nails it every single time. This is why Seedream 4 is the new king. But wait, before we jump into creating, here's a special deal. If you stick around till the end, I'll reveal my secret method to use VEO 3 completely free.
This isn't a machine, it's a beast!
Plus, I'll give you my exclusive system prompt that creates absolutely stunning thumbnails that get clicks. To use Seedream 4, you need to search for LM Arena on Google. Anyway, the link will be in the description. After that, you need to click on the first link and log in here with your Google account. After logging in, you need to click on the image icon. Then, in the top right corner, you need to switch from battle mode to direct chat mode. In direct chat mode, you'll get the option to select models. From here you need to select the Seedream 4 model from the list, and you're ready to roll. Now let me blow your mind with some demos. That'll show you just how insanely powerful Seedream 4 really is. Demo 1, Old Photo Restoration. Check this out, look at how old and damaged this photo is. It's completely worn out, right? Now watch what happens. When we upload this photo to Seedream 4 and then give it a prompt here. Fully restore this damaged photo by reconstructing and inpainting all missing or torn areas, removing scratches, stains, and noise. Seamlessly rebuilding complete facial features, clothing, etc. etc. Now all we have to do is hit that send button and watch the magic happen in just a few seconds. Get ready to be amazed. And here you can see, look at how insanely good Seedream 4's image restoration is. When I put the before and after side by side, you'll instantly see how powerful this model really is. Alright, Demo 2, this one's all about character consistency. Let's test how good it really is. I've got one of my images ready, so we'll upload it here and run a prompt to see the results. Alright, so the first prompt we'll try is, this person is sitting in a cozy coffee shop, wide angle shot. Once we hit send, Seedream only takes a few seconds to generate the image exactly the way we asked. And look at this, it nailed it perfectly. Now let's push it further. My second prompt was, show me a side view from a distance. And just like that, Seedream gave me the same character, but from the side angle. Pretty cool, right? For the third prompt, I said, make him wear glasses. Glasses added instantly. And for the fourth prompt, I went a little wild. Create a scene where this person, as a Viking, is fighting a lion. And yep, Seedream delivered another awesome image. So basically, with Seedream, you can edit your image any way you want. And these are just a few examples of what's possible. Alright, Demo 3, this one's all about creating eye-catching thumbnails. Let's see how Seedream handles it. First, you'll need to open the Google Docs link in the video description, then copy the prompt from there, and paste it into ChatGPT. Now, you just need to tell ChatGPT your video topic, or you can also give it the title. The prompt should be written like this: first, type video topic, and then write your video title. For example, here I'm giving the title, 10 Benefits of Eating Apples. Once that's done, ChatGPT will write out a full thumbnail prompt for us. All we have to do is copy it, jump into LM Arena, paste it in, hit send, and boom, your thumbnail starts creating instantly. Just make sure you've got the Seedream 4 model selected, that way you'll get the best results. As you can see, Seedream just gave us an amazing thumbnail. But there's one little issue you might run into, and the fix is super simple. Just type aspect ratio 16:9 and hit send. And now you can see, Seedream not only fixed the aspect ratio, but the thumbnail quality looks amazing, almost like HDR. Plus, check out how clean the font style and text design turned out. It looks super professional. Alright, let's try making another thumbnail. This time, the video topic is, how to create 1000 viral shorts in one click. Once we give that to ChatGPT, it'll write out a detailed thumbnail prompt for us. From there, all we have to do is copy the prompt, head over to LM Arena, paste it in, hit send, and just like that, LM Arena creates the thumbnail exactly the way we asked. Just look at this thumbnail, super eye-catching and designed beautifully. It really grabs your attention. Alright, time for the third and final thumbnail. Let's see how this one comes out. The video topic is 10 Best AI Video Generators You Don't Know. We'll send this over to ChatGPT, and it'll create a detailed prompt for us. And here's the cool part, when you send your video topic, you can also add extra instructions. For example, you can mention the style you want, color combinations, or even if you want the thumbnail in 3D. Basically, you're in full control of how your thumbnail turns out. Demo 4, creating an illustrated recipe infographic. And yes, you can even use Seedream for that. Since it's great at both text and design, it's perfect for recipe infographics. For example, let's try a prompt like step-by-step recipe for making an omelet. Watch how Seedream turns this into a perfectly designed infographic. The theme, the color combinations, the fonts, the text, everything looks spot on and perfectly designed. Demo 5, upscaling and enhancing image quality. So, I've got this pixelated, low-quality bird image right here. Let's upload it into Seedream, give it a simple upscale and enhance prompt, and watch how it transforms the picture. This tool handles these kinds of tasks beautifully. Bonus, how to use VEO 3 for free. To start, click on the small LM Arena icon. Once you do, the menus will expand, and here you'll see Introducing Video Arena. Click on Try on Discord, and a new tab will open with Discord. When Discord opens, click on Accept Invite, wait a few seconds, and you'll be inside the LM Arena server. On the left side, you'll see channels like Video Arena 1, 2, and 3. Just join any one of them, let's say Video Arena 1. Now you'll see a lot of people generating videos here. Some are making text to video, others image to video, and all for free. For example, let's play this video. As you can see, it's generated with VEO 3. And here's another one. When we play it, you can see it's also made with VEO 3, but this one even has sound. Now, let me show you how to actually use it. First, type a /, then you'll see options for image to video and text to video. If you want to create a text to video, select the video option. If you want image to video, select that option instead. For example, let's select image to video and upload a picture. Here, I'm uploading this girl's image. Then, type your prompt, for example, make her dance. Send it, and your video will start generating. It usually takes around 20-30 seconds, which is pretty fast. Meanwhile, you can also watch videos other people are generating in real time. After waiting for about half a minute, the video is ready. And now, let's play it so you can see the result. And that's how you can use VEO 3 for free. That's all for today's video. If this helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.